If your feet feel like they are constantly on fire, especially at night, if the simple touch of your bed sheets makes you wince, and walking across the room feels like stepping on hot coals, you are not alone. This burning sensation is a clear sign of nerve irritation. But what if the relief you've been looking for isn't in another prescription bottle? In this video, we're looking at a nerve-cooling kitchen staple, an everyday ingredient backed by recent neurological studies that can help calm that fire safely. No miracle cures, just real, science-backed relief so you can finally get a full night's sleep. Let's get right into it. Now, you might be surprised to learn that a simple item sitting in your pantry right now can actually help protect those nerves. But to understand how it works, we first need to look at what's going wrong inside your feet. Think of your nervous system, just like the electrical wiring running inside the walls of your house. Every nerve extending down to your toes is a live wire, and it's wrapped in a protective coating called the myelin sheath. It works exactly like the plastic insulation on a power cord, keeping the electrical signals moving smoothly and safely. But over the years, things like chronic inflammation or elevated blood sugar can wear that system down. When your blood sugar stays high, sugar molecules physically stick to your nerve proteins. Think of it like rust building up on a metal pipe. Over time, that rust slowly eats away at your protective myelin insulation. When that insulation wears thin, you are left with exposed live wires. These damaged nerves start misfiring and crossing signals, creating a biological short circuit. When your brain receives these mixed up, hyperactive signals, it doesn't know how to process the electrical error. So, it translates that chaos in the most alarming way. It knows how, as intense, burning heat. That's exactly why your feet can feel like they are engulfed in flames on the inside. Even if they are perfectly cool to the touch on the outside, the wires are stripped and the system is short-circuiting. The secret to truly calming that fire from the inside out isn't just numbing the pain. It's fixing the wires to help defend against that rusting process and give your body the exact building blocks proven by studies to support its natural insulation. We need to introduce 3 specific foods. Stopping that rusting process and rebuilding your nerve insulation starts with our number 3 ingredient, raw walnuts. When the protective coating on your nerves gets thin, those exposed wires become highly vulnerable to free radicals, unstable molecules in your body that cause ongoing damage and inflammation. Walnuts are incredible for your nerves because they contain a heavy dose of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids along with natural antioxidants. When you eat them, these compounds act like a physical barrier, neutralizing those free radicals before they can do more harm. It essentially helps buffer against the damage, so your body can focus on rejuvenating that vital myelin sheath. How much should you take? A good daily serving is just 1 ounce, or about a small handful. But there's a strict rule here. They must be raw. If you buy walnuts that have been heavily roasted or salted at high temperatures, those fragile omega-3 oils degrade, and you lose the exact nerve-protecting benefits we're looking for. Now, protecting the wiring is just the first step. Step 2 is opening up the supply lines to deliver the repair materials. The nerves in your feet have a major geographic disadvantage. They are the furthest points from your heart. When your blood vessels are strained by inflammation, your circulation slows down, and those distant nerves begin to starve from a lack of oxygen and fresh nutrients. To get those supply lines moving, we look to ingredient number 2, fresh ginger. Ginger contains a natural compound called gingerol, which acts as a gentle, proven vasodilator. This simply means it signals the tiny blood vessels in your lower legs to relax, widen, and let the traffic through. By expanding those pathways, ginger helps pump a fresh supply of warm, nutrient-dense blood all the way down to your toes. It's the physical delivery system your body needs to jumpstart the healing process. But you've got to be specific at the grocery store. You need to use fresh ginger root, not the powdered stuff in the spice aisle. The drying process used to make ginger powder strips away a massive percentage of that active gingerol. Steeping a few slices of fresh ginger root in hot water or cooking with it is how you get the real results. So, we've got walnuts acting as the shield and fresh ginger handling the delivery. But to actually cross into the nervous system and help cool down the fire right at the cellular level, we need to bring in our number 1 kitchen staple, turmeric. But taking turmeric by itself is almost useless. It only works if you combine it correctly in your kitchen. Here's exactly how that works. Turmeric is easily one of the most thoroughly researched anti-inflammatory ingredients in the world, and it all comes down to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin has a truly unique biological ability. It can actually cross the blood-nerve barrier. Once it gets inside, it acts like a targeted extinguisher, seeking out and shutting down the specific inflammatory pathways that keep that burning sensation alive. But here's a massive reality check that most people miss. You could put turmeric on your food every single day for 10 years and never feel any nerve relief. That's because your body is incredibly bad at absorbing plain turmeric. Your liver treats it as a foreign substance and flushes it out of your system almost immediately, long before it ever has a chance to reach your feet. To bypass the liver and actually get that curcumin down to your toes, you have to build a specific 3-part formula right in your kitchen. Think of it like a lock and key. First, you have the active ingredient itself, which is the turmeric. Second, you must add black pepper. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine. Piperine temporarily pauses the specific liver enzyme that tries to flush the turmeric out. Clinical studies show that adding just a tiny pinch of black pepper increases your body's absorption of curcumin by a staggering 2,000%. Third, you need a healthy fat. Curcumin is fat soluble, meaning it does not dissolve in water. If you mix it into regular tea or water, it passes right through you. But when you mix it with a healthy fat, like a teaspoon of coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, or grass-fed butter, the curcumin binds to the fat molecules and safely writes them directly into your bloodstream. The easiest way to put all three of these pieces together is by making a simple, warm evening drink at the stove. All you do is take a cup of warm milk, whether that's regular dairy or a plant-based option like almond milk, and stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut oil or butter. Warm it up gently and drink it about an hour before bed. Not only does it deliver the curcumin exactly where it needs to go to cool those burning nerves, but the warm fluid also signals your body that it's time to rest, helping you finally get a full night's sleep. Now that you know how these ingredients work together, here's your realistic action plan. I'm not going to promise you an overnight miracle, because real nerve repair takes time. But I want you to try the 7-day tracking method. Tonight, before you go to bed, grab a small notebook and write down your current burning pain on a scale from 1 to 10. Next, pick your starting step for tonight. To get the maximum benefit of that nerve-cooling teaspoon we discussed, I highly recommend starting with that warm turmeric evening drink. But if you want to keep it even simpler tomorrow morning, you can choose to add a daily handful of raw walnuts or a cup of warm ginger water, whichever one you pick. Stick to that single habit consistently for the next 7 days. Scientific research is important, but your body's real experience is what matters most. I want you to come back to this video in 7 days and leave a comment with your new pain score. Your real-world experience helps encourage everyone else in this community who's going through the exact same struggle. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button so this video can reach more people, and subscribe for more practical, science-backed ways to protect your health. Take care of your nerves, and I'll see you in the next video.